Hi my lovely people. Welcome to Daily Job Updates channel. If you're a first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and encourage me to do the more videos daily. Today in this video, I'm going to show about AWS Cloud DevOps Fresher job openings. Okay. If you're a fresher having complete 0 years of experience, or if you're a fresher having at least 6 months of internship experience or working experience, or if you're having at least 1 year of experience, no problem. You can easily apply to the job openings which I'm going to show you now. And moreover, you may be looking at the AWS DevOps Fresher job opening also. I have bought the job openings for you. So please try to watch this video completely till the end, because in this video I have mainly tried to cover around 7 to 8 job openings. Guys, I'm telling you, I have tried to cover at least 7. So please get benefit from this. Okay. And coming to the matter, if you may be from the any educational backgrounds, guys, like you may be from the BTech, ME Tech, or you may be from the like BCom, MCom, or you may be from the MBA background, or you may be from the diploma background, you may be from the medical, any background, guys, you may be from the any background. If you want to switch your career into this AWS or in a DevOps domain, you can easily apply. The thing is, you need to learn the skills. Okay, that is important. Okay. And the next is, if you want to, you may be from the any past out batches, guys. Like you may be from the 2024, or you may be from the 2023 past out, 2022, 2021, or 2020. Not a problem, guys. You can also easily apply. I'm telling you, moreover, you may be from the career gap students. See, if you may be having at least 5 years of career gaps or 10 years of career gaps, no problem. You be ready to learn these skills. Okay, be ready to learn these skills. Can easily get a job on this. Okay, by as a fresher or by as an experience, it's your choice. Okay, so without wasting much time, I'm requesting everyone, please watch this video completely till the end and don't forget to subscribe. So here the first openings come from the company called CashPoint. Okay, so this company is mainly hiring for the position of system engineer. By looking at this position, you may feel this is not for AWS or DevOps, but this position is mainly for the AWS and DevOps, guys. I'm telling you. See, if you're going as a fresher, so many companies will take you as a graduate trainee or a cloud fresher or a system engineer or a software developer engineer, software intern. Like this, there are so many positions will be there for freshers. So please try to read the job description as well as responsibilities. You will get a complete idea before applying to the job openings. Okay. So if you want to, if you go with the details of the job openings, here the position is system engineer. That is first. Okay. And the job location is Bengaluru, Karnataka. As you can see here, they have clearly mentioned. And if you get into the responsibilities and all, you can easily read this, guys. If you read this, you will get an idea. It's for the AWS fresher or it's for any other. They have clearly mentioned AWS, Azure, GCP. Maybe from the any clouds. Okay, if you have learn about AWS DevOps or your combination is Azure DevOps, no problem. Or you maybe GCP DevOps, no problem. You can apply to this position. Here, I'm going to read about the skills and qualification section. Okay, because there are roles and responsibilities too long, I can't read this. So if you come into the details of the skills, they are expecting at least a degree from you. It may be mainly from the BTech, MCA. Okay, you may be from the computer science branches or a backgrounds. That's good. Okay, otherwise you are mainly from the networking. That is also fine. And moreover, if you are from recently passed out batches like 2023 or 22 passed out, you are highly preferred for this job. I'm telling you. Okay. The next is 0 to 6 months of experience. They have clearly mentioned if you don't have any experience, no problem. Okay, you don't have any experience, or if you're having at least a 3 months, 6 months internship experience, apply to this. Okay, try to mention your internship in your resume and apply. And look at the thorough knowledge of troubleshooting remote access issues. So you should be having the knowledge about the troubleshooting part. Okay, so that is very important for the DevOps as well as a cloud fresher. Okay, so please have the knowledge on that. Next is you should be having a communication skills, that is active listening. So you should be able to listen. Okay. Next is if you're having certification on the Linux, that is highly preferred. If you're not having, that is also no problem, guys. But you should have some solid projects in your resume. That is the important thing. Okay. If you're having certifications, that is very, very good. I'm telling you. Next is basic troubleshooting knowledge in Linux, that is Red Hat, CentOS, and network troubleshooting using ping and traceroute. Here they have given that you should be knowing how to troubleshoot. Okay, that is mainly in the Linux environment, and you should be knowing the network commands. Okay, you should be knowing about the networking troubleshooting by using the ping as well as the traceroute commands. Okay, and here they have mentioned that basic understanding of Bash as well as shell scripting and web server. So you should be having the knowledge on the Bash as well as the shell scripting. Next is if you look into this, here they mentioned about networking, guys. If you look in the networking part, they have mentioned about OSI model, DNS, SSL, TLS, Wings, TCP/IP, VLANs, everything they have mentioned. So you should be knowing about the background of networking, and you should be having knowledge of Linux. These two are very important before applying to this position. Okay, and you should be ready to work on the 24/5 rotation shift. Okay, so I'm telling, if you are very good at Linux as well as in a networking part, please apply. Okay. So here they haven't asked much about the DevOps and all, but this position is mainly for AWS or a cloud for such openings. Okay. If you read into the details, you will completely get the idea of this opening. Okay. So just go to this down, apply for this position. Either you can need to enter your details and you need to send the resume to this HR. Okay. So this is how you need to apply for this first opening, guys. If you come into the second one comes from the LinkedIn. In LinkedIn, okay, just go to your LinkedIn account and open the profile called. There is a company called Infra City. Okay, this company is mainly hiring for the position of DevOps engineer. Look at this, they have mainly posted. If you come to the details, they have posted this opportunity before 3 days. Okay, so they have clearly mentioned here they are hiring for the position of DevOps engineer. And if you don't have any knowledge, if you don't have any knowledge on the DevOps, no problem. Sorry, if you don't have any working knowledge on the DevOps, or if you're having at least 1 year of hands-on experience with the DevOps tools and technologies like Terraform, Kubernetes, or any, it may be any cloud. It may be AWS cloud, Azure, DevOps, it may be AWS, Azure, or GCP, anything. Okay, fine, that's fine. And they have mentioned here that experience creating content or an infrastructure as code. So here you should be creating the content on the Terraform. Okay, it may be the cloud formation or it may be the Terraform. They will be giving you at least one. So you should be ready for that. Okay. Writing blogs, content would be mandatory experience. So this is mainly for the fresher, guys. So they have mainly, they will be giving you creating the content on the DevOps tools and technologies, as well as you will be writing the blogs and you will be creating the content based on that. Creating the content about the DevOps and tool technologies. Here is a golden opportunity for you. Okay. So how you need to apply for this job position is look into the here they have given about some of the writing also. So you just need to write about like this. And if they are mainly looking for the person who is having at least 0 to 1 years of experience, that in the mainly DevOps. Okay. And the location is Rovini, Delhi. And it is completely on-site job, guys. Okay. So job location is Delhi and the position is contract. Okay. So you just need to send your resume to contact@infracity.com. Okay. So this is the email ID. So just send your resume to this email ID. Now, if you come to the third one, here the third one comes from LinkedIn also. Here in the LinkedIn, there is one HR. Okay. She is mainly a manager. Okay. Her name is Kaustuba. Okay. She is from the company called Tech Systems, guys. Tech Systems has been actively hiring from past 6 to 1 year. I have seen many multiple job openings in the same company. So this company is mainly hiring for the position of AWS DevOps engineer with role of 1 to 3 years of experience in Bangalore location. So if you're a person who is having knowledge on AWS as well as in DevOps, okay. So if you don't have any experience, no problem. I'm telling you, see, here they have mentioned about 1 year of experience, but if you're having good skills and if you're done some internship experience, or if you're having some, if you're very good at your skills section, or if you have done some very good hands-on projects, then there are chances of getting hired for this position, guys. I'm telling you. So please try to apply if if you don't have any experience also. Okay. So please try to apply. Okay. Here they have mentioned the skills is AWS, DevOps, scripting language, Terraform, Kubernetes, immediate joiners are preferred. As I already told you, we should be having the knowledge on AWS, DevOps, scripting, Terraform, Kubernetes. And moreover, this is an immediate joining. Okay. So the person who want to join immediately, or the person who are actively looking for job opportunities, this is a golden opportunity, guys. I'm telling you. Okay. So you just need to update your resume to the pkaustuba@techsystems.com. So this is their email ID. So just send your resume to this email ID. Otherwise, we can directly DM to her. She has mentioned qualified candidates can be DM me for the quick response. So if your resume gets shortlisted, so she will be DMing you. Okay. Otherwise, if you want response from her, you can DM her. Okay. So this is the third job opportunity for you guys. Now, if you come into the fourth one, here the fourth one comes from the company called Trademo. Okay, so this company is mainly hiring for the position of junior DevOps engineer. If you look into this, here they have clearly mentioned the job opening is junior DevOps engineer, or the position is intern. Here they are mainly looking for only 2 skills, that is Ansible, Terraform. If you are just good at these two tools, okay, that is Ansible and Terraform, you can easily apply and you don't need any experience. Look at this. Here they have clearly mentioned 0 to 1 years of experience. So if you want to get the details of the job openings, just click on this. Okay, if you just click on this, it's going to open like this. that is the highest portal. In the highest portal, they have updated the job details, everything, guys. So let's read about here. The job location is Gurugram. Okay, that is Gurugram, and the experience they're expecting from is 0 to 1 years. They are mainly looking for you from Terraform as well as Ansible. So these two are highly preferred. So you should be mandated at these two skills, and as well as with the Terraform and Ansible, you should be having knowledge on DevOps. Okay, and you should be having knowledge on Kubernetes, Azure, AWS, CI/CD pipelines. Okay, so these are the things which they have mentioned here. So if we come into the down required skills, they have clearly mentioned. Look at this. Exposure to cloud platforms, that is AWS, Azure, GCP. It may be any cloud. If you're good at least one, that is fine. And you should be have passion to work or have already worked on multi-TB scales of data and have understanding of databases, Elasticsearch, MongoDB. So here they have mentioned that you should be having knowledge on the databases. It may be Elasticsearch, MongoDB, Redis. If you have previously worked on any databases, that is very good. You are highly preferred for this job opening. If you don't have any knowledge, please try to learn at least basics of databases, guys. Okay. And familiarity with containerization and orchestration tool, that is Docker and Kubernetes. So as I already told you, you should be good at Docker and Kubernetes also. And you should be having knowledge of continuous integration, that is CI/CD. It may be any tools, your choice. Okay. And you should be having the knowledge of network principles. It may be OSI model, TCP/IP, anything. Okay. So all this you should be having knowledge on this. So please, if you are having good skills about the job description which they have mentioned, just go to here. Okay. So in the down, just as you can see here, apply section is the right. So you just need to apply for this position. Okay. So this is the fourth job opportunity for you guys. Before moving into the fifth one, if you are still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Okay. Please do support me, guys, where I will be daily providing the job opportunities. And if you have any queries regarding the how to prepare the resume, or if you want to if you don't know how to crack the fresher job openings, here just yesterday I have uploaded one of the best video of my YouTube channel. So please watch this video also. You are going to get complete idea for this job opening also. Okay, how to prepare the resume, how to crack the interviews, everything I have explained in this job opportunity. So please watch this video. And moreover, if you want all the job opening links which I have shown you, need to send an invitation at this profile called Vishwakar Kallai Instagram handle. Once after sending, I will be completely accepting all your requests. So please try to message, because if you just send a request, I can't message you. You know the policy of Instagram handle. So please try to message anything like it may be if you are looking for AWS job links, just mention AWS Fresher. Or if you are looking for Azure, or if you are looking for DevOps, just message me like this. It may be any whatever you may be looking at, AWS cloud, Azure cloud, DevOps, no problem. Just message me like this. As you can see here, I have already sent the links, right? So I will be sending you all the links completely free without taking a single rupee from you. I'll be completely sending you free, guys. Okay. So please subscribe this channel and do support me. Now let's get into the fifth one. Here, the fifth one comes from company called NoStack. Okay, here this company is mainly a startup company, and as you can see, this is mainly internship. Okay, guys. So if you are looking for a cloud computing internship, if you are looking for a internship in the AWS DevOps, then here is a golden opportunity. I'm telling you. Here the job is on-site job, and the job location is Noida, Uttar Pradesh, and this is a more full-time job opportunity. Okay, so if you get into the details of the job, here they have clearly mentioned currently pursuing degree. Okay, so you should be currently pursuing. If you are already in college, if you are still studying, no problem, you can also apply. Or if you have completed a degree, no problem, you can also apply. You should be having at least degree. That is my first thing. Strong understanding of AI, ML concepts of and algorithms. So you should be having knowledge on the artificial intelligence and machine learning. You should be knowing the concepts, at least concepts. Okay, so this is just advanced post, because you'll be learning about the new tools and technologies. If you I think this is very golden opportunity, because as the current software trend is going to rapidly changing, like these skills they are mainly expecting, guys. So be prepared for this. Okay, familiarity with cloud computing platforms like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. So you should be good at any cloud. It may be AWS, it may be Azure, it may be GCP, your choice. Okay, proficiency in programming languages such as Python, Java, C++. So you should be good at least one. So be prepared. You should be having programming languages. It may be Python, Java, C++, your choice. And you should be having knowledge of the DevOps practices, that is Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, Ansible, Maven, everything. You should be good at all these tools. Okay. And next is you should be having the problem analytical skills, and you should be knowing the communication. So these all are things here. These are just basics requirements which I have mentioned for this internship position. And here you'll be having the benefits, paid time off. Okay. And moreover, this is a work from home job opportunity, guys. I'm telling you, you work from job opportunity also there. And training and development, here they are going to give you the training, as well as you'll be going to learn, and you're going to work in the various fields also. So please do apply for this position. So this is the fifth job opportunity. And if you come into the sixth one, okay, so the sixth one comes from company called Odels Technologies. Okay, so this company is mainly the company name is Odels Technology. This company is mainly hiring for the associate consultant DevOps. Associate consultant DevOps. Okay, so here this position is also for the fresher, guys. I'm telling you, work experience is 1 to 2 years. 1 to 2 years means 1 year also. 1 year of experience candidate also considered as fresher. I'm telling you. So please, if you're fresher having at least 6 months of internship experience or 3 months internship experience, apply, no problem, guys. Okay, because you will be having, you will be done, you may have done some internship experience, right? Sorry, you may have done some projects, right? You will be having some knowledge on that. Okay, so there will be not much difference between the zero fresher as well as the 1 year of experience candidate. Okay, so please try to apply. And if you get into the, here they have mentioned about roles and responsibilities. Okay, if you desired skills will, here they have mentioned desired skills is DevOps, AWS, Linux, Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible, CI/CD, Azure DevOps, supports Terraform, etc. So this here they have mentioned that you should be having knowledge on DevOps and AWS and Linux and Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible. So like this they have mentioned about some at least 10 to 12 tools and technologies. So be prepared for this position. Okay, if you are applying for this job opportunity. And see, here they have clearly mentioned about the Docker, Kubernetes, shell scripting you should be good at, and you should be knowing at least one. So please read the job description and try to match the skills with the JD skills with your resume skills. Okay, so that is very important. See here, if they have mentioned about some 10 to 12, you should have at least 10, or you should have at least 9 out of this. Generally, your resume is going to get shortlisted. So this is the thing, guys. So these are all the job openings which I wanted to show you. If you want to apply for this position, just go to this here. I'm interested is there, right? So just click on this. Okay. So look at this basic information. Everything is open, right? So you need to enter your details here. First name, current CTC. If you're having experience, if you don't have any experience, no problem. Just give it as NA, or you just mention as 0. No problem. Okay. So like this, you just need to apply for this position also. So these are all the job openings which I wanted to show you for today's, guys. If you're looking for any other job opportunity in any other domains, please mention them in the comment section. I will be happy to bring all the job openings for you in the upcoming days. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day. All the best for your interviews. Bye.